And it's not only is training for us, to you guys as the administrators who hold on to this product, important, but training down the line is really, really important. So I'm going to give you 3 examples, okay? Just 3 examples of things that hopefully all the people who said, yes, we use it, know the answers to. Not everybody did in Manchester. So using the one-time password feature, have you used it? Have you tested it? Do you know how to A, use it as a login code, but also as a password change code? Everybody in the room uses Endpoint. Are you all happy with that? Nods. Not nods from everybody who nodded to say they have it. It has to be said. Second point. When you first build a machine and install Endpoint on it, the first thing you see, if you look into it, is setting up encryption, setting up security, all this kind of stuff. Yeah? What it is doing at that time is it is writing a recovery file back into the database on the server. Okay? All good. The next one. Recovering the machine when the OS becomes corrupt. You use that recovery file to recover the machine later on. All good, all simple, right? What do you think happens if you rebuild, if you just trash that machine and rebuild it without resetting the machine in Checkpoint? Actually going into the console and saying, this machine doesn't have Endpoint anymore. No, it's even worse than that. The record still exists with the old recovery data. Which means when that laptop gets screwed up, you can't create recovery media for it. Which is why most of our tickets that get logged for Endpoint are orphaned recovery drives. We are having to send data to Checkpoint to try and get these things decrypted for people. This is not your guys' fault. This is people, this is desktop admins who are doing what they do best, which is effectively switch it off, switch it back on again. They get a laptop in with half the problem, they rebuild it. And they're just doing it and re-rolling the software out without realising there are implications at the back end. And that follows on to the next one. The first thing happens when my laptop won't boot, whack Windows 7 CD and Windows 8 CD in, recover. Oh, it doesn't work now. That's because it's overwritten the master boot records, but you've still got an encrypted disk. Because that disk has just turned into a random collection of ones and zeros that mean absolutely nothing to the boot media. And then we have to try and recover it, and that's when we get to the, I need this encrypted in 6 hours, but actually it's going to take 36, what can I do? There is nothing you can do. There is just nothing you can do. And the thing is, I know that you guys know this. I know that all of you know it. Where are we running the problems if the desktop admins don't seem to know it? And like, that's just full business. That's without getting into the chief executive's got his pictures of his daughter's pony party all night from the weekend. Rach, what are horse things called at the weekend? That thing. You know, we've got a USB stick full of pictures that's encrypted and something's happened to it and he's got to get it back. You know, that's without the USB import encryption stuff. That's without the compliance type stuff where people don't understand why it's not letting on things or why certain things don't work. So what we have done is we've put together a training course, which will be doing from the end of March, which is one of our consultants will come in for a day and will pass on the top 5 things that we are getting tickets logged on and train you how to avoid them. So we'll come in and then we'll just go through top 5 things on FDE, top 5 things on encryption, top 5 things on time, top 5 things on firewall, etc., etc., and just try and pass that information on to you guys so that you get a really good idea of what you can actually do to avoid looking like bad guys on your end users. Because unfortunately, the endpoint product, the endpoint technology is necessary. It is, a tool that we have to deploy on the machines. This is stuff that applies to every single vendor that is out there. These solutions are complicated. It does complicate the level of access. We just want to help you guys to try and make it a little bit more self-sustaining, because nobody wants to be in a situation where they have to just explain to somebody very senior in business that there is nothing they can do.